This is Marshall Zukov, and here we are together again on YouTube. I've brought three of my Mosin Nagant rifles with me today. The first one we're going to shoot is my 9130. It's a 1942 Izzy rifle. I bought an ATI stock for it and put it in there. Unfortunately, I needed to do some gunsmithing to it. I shot one shot at the target on the left so far. This is at 25 yards. My interrupter is being blocked by the side of the stock, so I'm going to have to carve some of that out. But I will have to hand load every round. Shot number 2 at 25 yards. I'm using a Bulgarian light ball 1982. Looks like through the scope on 7 power they're printing all over the place. Looks like the stock's still going to need some more work. Now I'm at 25 yards again. I'm going to try 5 more shots out of my Hungarian M44 1953. I'm going to try 3 with the bayonet closed and then 3 with it open. Wow, that's high. Not really sure what's causing it to print like that at 25 yards. I forgot to stop at 3. Here's 3 more with the bayonet extended. Same target. Really weird, I don't know. Here we go with my 1943 Russian M44 and another Izzy rifle. Now I've only got 3 in the chamber, so I can't screw up counting. 25 yards. Bayonet not extended. Bayonet extended. This is the most damn grief I've ever had with any of these rifles. This is ridiculous at 25 yards. Here we are up close on the targets. I'm not happy with these at all. 25 yards, even if it is surplus stuff. That's not very good. No telling how high it's going to shoot the middle one at 100 yards. Kind of disappointing. Makes me not even want to try at 100 yards, but we'll see. Well, here's my targets at 100 yards. These, try to get in here, and these three right here, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 or 5 were my 5-shot group with the surplus ammo at 100 yards with my 2 to 7 by 32 long eye relief scope on my 1942 rifle. The other ones around it, I was shooting pretty fast, getting rid of my ammo. This middle target, it was my 1943 M44, and it was kind of all over the place. Not really sure why it was so inconsistent, but a little disappointing, I guess. Might just take some shooting to get her going, that's all. And this one way up top here at the top of the white paper, hopefully it's not too blasted out by the white paper. But that was my first shot with my Hungarian M44. And come to find out, the front sight post was very, very short, so it was shooting extremely high. So I put a piece of wire sheath over the front post and started getting it closer. The ones in the orange, 5 of those are from my scoped 9130. Target was pretty naked, but I also managed to shoot the gong off somehow. Oh well, gotta weld her up.